I've been showing you guys several ways to make a lot of money online, but I don't even know if you all own a dollar account, which is very important in terms of earning a lot of money online. And that's why on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own personal USD dollar account so you can actually, withdraw and earn your money from your normal activities online. So yeah, without wasting much more time, I'm going to be showing you guys using your mobile device, but then it all applies to your PC or mobile device. Whatever device you're making use of, it's all the same thing. So yeah, let's get started.
Alright guys, so the very first thing you'll want to do is to just go to your browser, whatever browser you're making use of on your mobile device. It could be Chrome, okay? So you want to go to your browser and then you want to search for Payoneer, okay? So Payoneer, alright, the very first one over here. And then all you want to do is to go to Payoneer over here and then you want to create an account. Simply click on open your account over here, okay? It's going to take you to the main page to create your account. And then you can go for individual over here. You can go for get the full power of Payoneer to both send and receive global payments. You want to click on this and then now you want to click on register, okay? You can as well read through about all what we have in over here. Get paid by leading marketplaces including Upwork, Fiverr, as you guys can see, concerning all what I've been teaching you guys. In case you don't know how to receive your payment, this is basically what I'm teaching you guys right now, okay? So now once all you want to do right now is to click on register over here. Okay, so once you click on register, you're just gonna answer a few questions over here. So you want to insert your first name, okay? So I'm gonna go for KidCast, okay, KidCast, and then you want to insert your last name as well. I'm gonna go for YouTube, okay? I'm just let me just go for Kissington, all right? Okay, and then you want to insert your email account. All right, and then you want to re-enter the email address. So Alibaba 928@gmail.com. all right, so the next thing I want to insert here is going to be your date of birth. Okay, so let's go for our date of birth. Let's go for May, and I'm just going to select something random over here. Okay, let's just go for 1998. all right, and then all you want to do over here is to click on next, and then you want to insert your contact details over here. So I'm just going to insert my street name. Okay, let's just go for Channel Street. Okay, so let's just say number 3. Okay, so you want to do the same thing, and then you can as well leave this one. This is just optional. And then your city, I'm gonna go for Lagos over here, and then your postal code as well. If you don't know your postal code, you can as well check on online, okay, probably on Google. Just search for your address and then ask for the postal code. Okay, so then the next one over here is your mobile number. Okay, so you want to insert your mobile number. Okay, so once you've inserted your mobile number, okay, if it's not Nigeria, you can as well select over here. And then next thing you want to do is to click on send code over here. Okay, you want to click on send code. Okay, and once you enter the code, as you guys can see, the next thing here is to set up your password. Okay, then your security question, what time was your mother born in? Let's just pick a random thing. Let's just say this, okay? And then your ID details, okay? So if you have an ID card, I believe everyone watching this right now should have an ID card, okay? A national ID card, okay? So you want to insert your country, the ID type, if it's a national ID card, if it's a passport, whatever one you own over here, you just want to, click on it. And then your ID number, okay? And then you want to click on next over here. Okay, so once you're done with that, as you guys can see, almost done. Okay, and now this is where you want to insert your normal bank account for withdrawals. Okay, now you can insert your Nigerian bank account. Okay, so I'm just going to insert my Nigerian bank account over here. I'm going to go for GT Bank. Okay, so let's search for Guarantee Trust Bank, depending on whatever bank you own in Nigeria. Okay, and then you want to insert your account number as well. Okay, so once you're done with that, all you want to do is to click on I agree and all this, and then you want to click on this and submit. Okay, so guys, this is basically how to create it. As you guys can see, the Payoneer account application has been successfully submitted and now it's been reviewed. Okay, so once it's done, reviewing, once the Payoneer team reviews it and they see it's actually very okay, you just want to wait for just a few business days and then you would be sent a confirmation. Okay, as you guys can see, it's on the review. And once they're done reviewing it, you'll be able to receive your payment with the dollar account. Okay, so that's basically how it works. As you guys can see, it's very, very easy and very, very quick.
If you guys now own your own personal USD dollar account, you actually get your money online from whatever online activities you're doing. So yeah, if you surely learned a lot from today's video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Drop a like on the video and also share as well. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.